Hey, somebody recently gave me this old leaf blower, and I didn't really need another leaf blower, but I could see it had, I could see the problem once I started looking at it. There was a little rubber bulb right here that you pump to prime the carburetor, and this was it. The old bulb was split right in half, and you could see, you know, it wasn't going to work. And I happen to have a kit of these, and so I put one in. It's only held in there by 2 screws. So I put a new bulb in there, and this thing fires right up. I'll show you. You just pump it a few times. And kind of happy with it. It's a rough old looking thing, but what I really like about it, it works better for sweeping the concrete, better than my other one. I got a new one that, but this is better for that. It puts out like a narrow band of air right along the ground, and it's really good for sweeping the concrete floor, like if you've done some woodworking or cut the grass and you've got some debris on your driveway or your shop. This thing is actually a really great sweeper. It's an Echo PB1000, and I guess they still make them. I don't know. This thing's probably 20 years old. It sure doesn't look it anyway. I really don't know how old it is. But I really like the little fan, the narrow tip here. It works great for sweeping. It's real efficient for cleaning the concrete, and without like creating a big swirl of dust. It basically just pushes it along the ground. So highly recommend one of these, especially this part. I think it's really works really well. I'll show you the other one I've got. I've had quite a few. I've had quite a few of these blowers. This is my current one that I'm using, which is also, it's pretty powerful. And the thing I like about this one is the air intake is in the rear. So it's more like when you're using it, it doesn't suck your pants or your shirt right into the side of it, which is something I have noticed with this one. Like this is the intake here. And if you're using it, if you're right-handed, you end up, and you're wearing loose clothes, you end up getting it pulled into the intake. If you're left-handed and you're holding it away from your body, it's not a problem. But I use it right-handed mostly, so I notice it all the time.